Well, nice to meet you, Khan. I can tell from your accent that you may be living in another country. Where are you located?
Yes, I'm living in the UK, but originally I'm from Romania.
Romania. Okay,
Yes.
well, great. Well, so let's talk about software. That's what we're here today. We'll talk about, I call my podcast Code Life Balance because it's partially about coding and it's partially about your life as a developer. And so I guess I could just start from the beginning. How long have you been working as a software engineer?
Oh, this is like a story from my young age. Basically, I started. But I towards coding. I started in my 20s, but I was curious since I was little, like for the hardware. I started with hardware first, right? And after that, we had the Windows, and I started to tackle those kind of things, and I started to reinstall Windows to see how it's working. I had issues, I tried to fix them, right?
Right.
And I was very curious about those. And from that point, I started to be more curious how they work. And hardware is linked with software, so they need to talk. And from that point, I started coding, and the journey began. And I'm happy about coding because it's something which you can create. It's like an art, I can say it, at least. It's beautiful, right? And gives you pleasure and feedback straight away. And besides the thing of creating stuff that can help society, yourself as an individual, for instance, for me, helps me a lot. Like since I have my daughter, I can build small apps for her, make her curious, explain, show the world in a different view, let's say, right, than the normal way. And it's beautiful. So basically, this is my transition towards the code.
Is your daughter old enough to understand what it is that you do?
Yes, she's
Okay.
7 now.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So I hopefully, I will be an inspiration for her. Basically, this is another reason for me doing this job and doing this for her, because in my opinion, this is the future, and all the youngsters, in my opinion, they need to code.
Reading the code.
Yes.
I've been saying the same thing for a long time, and in fact, I've got